In this video, we're going to look at changing your Facebook ad goal. And as always, I get straight to the point with it. And the point is that despite what YouTube videos are saying, you cannot change your published campaign objective. And it's not just me saying it, other people are saying it. Meta says it. Your only option is to duplicate your campaign. So what you want to do from the home screen is either click underneath your name where it shows active campaigns, or go to the left campaign icon, and in here you'll see all your campaigns and you'll see the duplicate option over here. Just click on that to duplicate your project. Click on edit to edit your duplicate, and when you're done editing it and changing your goal, what you can do is just navigate to this off and on switch and switch off the original campaign and switch on the new campaign. And yes, unfortunately, it will be starting from over, but those are your only options. Guys, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.